Welcome back everybody to God, Family, and Bikes. This is Rob Martin, and today we're going to be looking at my trailer Valet XL. I use this device to haul my toy hauler up and down the driveway because I got to move it in there backwards. I got the video here of me going up the driveway, and last time I had it out I noticed there was some wear in the bushings on this thing, so I decided I'd tear it apart and see what's going on, see if I could repair it. So I noted that looseness in earlier video when I was taking my toy hauler up and down the driveway, and so I came in, pulled the back plate and the top cap off my trailer Valet. What she looks like, it's just held on with some Phillips head screws there, and this is what I was after. And now that I have it apart, you can see there's a brass bushing here, and this is supposed to go through to the inside, and I've worn clear through it. This shaft, cranking it, you can kind of see this is probably what it should look like, as a brass bushing like that with on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and you can see that's the upper shaft with the chain, and there's your lower shaft with your other train drive down to the drive tires. So I'm going to pull this top shaft out. So far I've had a heck of a time trying to find replacement part for that bushing, but it seems like a pretty simple part, and I put a call out to Trailer Valet to see if I can get a new one, and I'll pull this out and show you what it looks like. So here's that upper shaft again. Here's the bushing that was on the good side, and you can see that that's wearing a groove into it. And on the other side, this is the one I took off. This is the little brass bearing. They call it the drive shaft bearing. It's really just a brass collar, but that's cut in two. So I'm working with, got to call out to Trailer Valet to see if I can buy these. I'll probably go ahead and replace both sides because they're both wearing. But yeah, those slide right over this collar like this, and they slide down, and they fit inside that opening in the side of the case. And that's what wore out. Those are just held in by these little snap rings, and those sit, if you look at that, there's a little groove there. They just hold them in. Goes right around there. Slides out pretty easy. Be careful with them. They're not very robust. I think I bent that one a little taking it off. So I'll contact Trailer Valet and see what they have to say. Hopefully they can give me some repair parts. All right, after spending a bunch of hours on the Trailer Valet side looking for repair parts for my trailer Valet XL, I finally emailed them and opened a service ticket, and Aaron there was helped me out with these bushings to repair the worn out bushings here. Unfortunately, while I was waiting for it, I needed to use it, so I made this nifty little bushing out of a piece of PVC pipe for a temporary bushing. And now I'm going to go ahead and replace that one, and then the other two on the other side. Like I say, they don't have it directly on their site, these service parts, but here's the replacement bushings. I got two sets. Weren't too bad, $5 a set. So, yeah, $5 a set. So $10 altogether. Not too bad. So now what we're going to do is just pop the snap rings off and put these replacements in there. Take your handle off, and you need a pair of outside snap ring pliers. my PVC spacer. Did its job. Now we're just gonna put the new wet. Actually, I'm gonna put a little grease in there. I think this may have been part of the issue. I don't know how well these got greased when they put this thing together. Slide that over. Here's one of the used one. You can see it's kind of grooved down there. Put a fresh one in. All right, last one. All right, so we popped those 4 new bushings in. Should be good to go. Those original bushings lasted a little more than a year, probably 20 times up and down the driveway. It'd be nice if those were bearings, but they aren't. But as long as I can get supply bushings, keep this thing working, I kind of don't have any other choice for how I have to park my RV. If you want to see how I do that, just check out my videos. They'll be attached at the end. Bringing my toy hauler up the driveway and down the driveway, and I have to do it backwards, so the trailer valet is the only option I had. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll keep producing these. Take care and God bless.
I did a thumbs up.